Hey everybody, how's it going? So over here we have, it says retail space for lease, Newmark Knight Frank. This is one of the property managers for a lot of the hoity-toity, well-to-do properties like the Film Center building that my old boss used to have 13 years ago. And when you take a look, you can see that what this used to be is a Chase. So it says this branch is currently closed, and on this building where it says this branch is closed, you'll see the signs for a realtor or management company over here that they're renting a new space. Now, a lot of what I've been going over on this channel is the fact that, you know, a lot of this was very unsustainable and a lot of these prices are ridiculous. And I think part of what makes a lot of the pricing ridiculous is the fact that you have banks like Chase that do what they do here. So for those of you who are not really familiar with New York City, we're on 7th Avenue and 24th Street. And my store is on 7th Avenue and 27th. And if I go 3 blocks that way, there is a Chase Bank. So they have the money to put a Chase Bank here, and then 3 blocks that way, which is a 4-minute walk, they have another Chase. That is a tremendous waste of resources. You don't, like, even a gas station, you wouldn't have a gas station 3 blocks away, or a restaurant that's the exact same restaurant 3 blocks away. Yet if you walk around New York City, you'll see that there's Chase Bank literally everywhere. So by my old store on 2nd Avenue and 10th Street, there is a Chase. But there's also another Chase on 2nd Avenue and St. Mark's Place. St. Mark's Place is another way to say East 8th Street. Just for those of you who don't understand like the distance thing, it's 2 blocks away. So you have chains and you also have large banks like Chase that literally have another location 2 blocks away from their primary location. And what this winds up doing is it inculcates into landlords that it's okay to ask for 120 or 200 or 300 or 400 a square foot, even when that is not in any way, shape, or form sustainable. So once you have Chase Bank, one of the few banks, if any, that did not go red at the worst part of 2008, say, we're done with this. This doesn't even make sense for us. What this means is that I think, in my opinion, and the opinion of a lot of people that live in the city, that means that the right part of New York is dying. And I'm not trying to do some sort of, you know, like eat the rich kind of socialist thing here. I'm just saying the reality is that there's absolutely no need for there to be a branch over here and then a branch literally 3 blocks in that direction. That is utterly pointless and useless to have such a large piece of real estate that could be used for probably 5 stores could fit in here, and to have it be used by something when there's literally another resource right down there. And it's like this all over the city, where there are stores that offer genuine value, and it just winds up getting replaced by Starbucks and Chase, and Starbucks and Chase, and Starbucks and Chase, and Starbucks and Chase. So my theory was that that New York was going to continue to go down the tubes, but there may actually wind up being some sort of revitalization as the stuff that kind of started making New York go down the tubes to begin with, which is landlords, you know, really holding out for 2 or 4 to 6 to 8 years because they're really excited about getting the next Chase or Starbucks or Whole Foods to come to their place, to finally come back to planet Earth and realize that's not happening. You got to deal with people that can afford the 30 a square foot, 60 a square foot, 80 a square foot, 20 a square foot again. Not just wait for the Chase and the Starbucks that are going to pay you 200 or 300 or 400 a square foot. And that the days of those like little tiny 2,300 square foot places like the one I showed you the other day on Broadway going for 75,000, those days are numbered. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Again, not trying to do some hate the rich thing, but just from a pure efficiency point of view. A Chase on 24th Street and then another Chase on 27th Street, in my opinion, is absolutely fucking ridiculous. And shit like that is, in my opinion, ruining the city. Let me know what you think. This is Erica. She was pointing to something while I was doing the video. She likes to distract me. What were you distracting me with, Erica?
So you see there's a retail space available over there, and then there's another retail space over there.
Yeah, this is everywhere. So there genuinely is opportunity aplenty. And I do think, like, they're all gonna ask for the ridiculous prices right now, but you'll see as time goes on, this is going to turn normal again, I think. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. It is damn near close to like 2 in the morning, so it's about time to go home.